Blizzard Entertainment has warned fans to expect long queue times during the Diablo 4 open beta, which is set to begin this Friday. The open beta follows last weekend's closed beta, which gave developers an idea of the capacity they would be dealing with. Players experienced long queues, and were sometimes kicked out of sessions during the early access beta. To avoid a similar situation during the game's official launch in June, Blizzard will be intentionally stressing its servers and systems during the open beta. Community manager Adam Fletcher acknowledged that queues can be frustrating, but they are necessary for stress testing the servers. The company may also take the servers offline temporarily to deploy infrastructure adjustments or fixes. The Diablo 4 open beta is available for download through the PlayStation and Xbox stores, and via Battle.net for PC players. The beta runs from March 24th at 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time to March 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and is open to players on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Windows PC, Xbox One, and Xbox Series X. Diablo 4 is set to launch on the same platforms on June 6,